Interior designers rarely talk about this trick. Tall houseplants secretly control how open, balanced, and luxurious a room looks. Stay till the end as we uncover the best large indoor plants that turn ordinary homes into statement spaces. Fiddle fig is often the first plant designers reach for, and there's a reason. Its oversized leaves instantly draw attention upward, making rooms feel taller and brighter. Placed near a window, it becomes a bold statement piece that quietly steals the spotlight. Rubber plant grows straight and strong, making it perfect for corners that feel empty. Its thick, glossy leaves reflect light beautifully and add a modern, polished look. This plant doesn't spread much, it rises, creating height without clutter. African fig looks calm, but it's secretly working hard for your space. Its rounded leaves add fullness, while its height improves air freshness and humidity. Once settled, it grows steadily and rewards consistency. Ficus olei is tall, sleek, and surprisingly elegant. Its narrow leaves create a clean vertical silhouette that suits offices and minimal interiors. Unlike bushy plants, it adds drama without visual chaos. Sweetheart tree stands out with its unique triangular leaves. The variegated foliage brightens dull rooms and looks luxurious indoors. Give it good light and humidity, and it quickly becomes a showpiece. Fishtail palm brings an unexpected texture with its fishtail-shaped leaves. It grows in clumps, making it feel lush and tropical without overwhelming the room. Bright light keeps it looking fresh and energetic. European fan palm looks exotic, but it's tougher than it appears. Its fan-shaped leaves add movement and character to large interiors. It also handles cooler conditions better than most palms. Majesty palm fills space fast and loves slightly shaded areas. Its dense fronds soften harsh interiors and create a resort-like feel. This plant thrives when given consistent watering and indirect light. Kentia palm is perfect if you forget plant care sometimes. Its arching fronds add elegance while tolerating low light and neglect. It's one of the most forgiving tall plants you can own. Areca palm instantly makes rooms feel lively and open. Its bright green fronds grow upward and outward, creating a natural divider. With enough light, it becomes a full indoor tree. Anita Dracaena handles low light without losing its charm. Its tree-like shape makes it ideal for offices and bedrooms. It quietly improves air quality while staying easy to manage. Madagascar dragon tree adds height with a bold sculptural look. Its slim stems and sharp leaves suit modern interiors perfectly. It grows tall without demanding constant attention. Dragon tree brings color and structure in one plant. Its corn-like leaves brighten spaces while growing steadily upward, ideal for corners that need personality. Corn plant grows slowly but confidently. Its glossy leaves catch light beautifully in dim rooms, perfect for anyone wanting a tall plant with minimal effort. Ponytail palm looks playful but grows impressively tall. Its thick trunk stores water, making it extremely forgiving. This plant adds height with a unique sculptural style. Norfolk Island pine brings a soft evergreen look indoors. It grows upright and symmetrical, making spaces feel balanced. Bright indirect light keeps it thriving year-round. Yucca is bold, tough, and loves bright spaces. Its stiff leaves create strong vertical lines in any room, perfect for modern homes that need structure. Philodendron spreads wide but grows tall when given space. Its large leaves create a jungle-like atmosphere indoors. Indirect light keeps it lush and dramatic for years. Ming Aurelia looks delicate, but it's surprisingly resilient. Its layered foliage adds depth and elegance to interiors. It tolerates low light and irregular watering. Croton refuses to be ignored. Its colorful leaves bring warmth and energy to tall indoor displays. Bright light keeps its colors bold and intense. Umbrella plant grows upright with a clean leafy structure. It fills vertical space while staying easy to maintain. Bright indirect light helps it stay balanced and full. False castor plant adds drama with large glossy leaves. Its bold texture works beautifully in spacious rooms. Low maintenance makes it ideal for busy plant owners. Desert Rose combines height with stunning flowers. Its thick trunk and upright growth add sculptural beauty, perfect for bright rooms that need a statement plant. Jade Plant grows slowly but can reach impressive heights. Its thick stems and glossy leaves feel strong and timeless. Avoid pruning it if you want it tall and tree-like. Swiss Cheese Plant instantly transforms interiors. Its split leaves and tall growth scream tropical luxury. Given space, it becomes a living design feature. Giant Bird of Paradise feels like bringing the outdoors inside. Its massive leaves grow upward, making ceilings feel higher. Sunlight is the secret to its dramatic growth. Bamboo adds instant height and calm energy. It grows fast and works well in bright indoor spots. A great option for pet-friendly homes. Weeping Fig creates a graceful tree-like presence indoors. Its glossy leaves soften large spaces beautifully. Once placed, it prefers staying right where it is. European Olive brings a Mediterranean feel indoors. Its tall form and silvery leaves add sophistication. Sunlight is essential for keeping it healthy. African Candelabra grows straight up, like living architecture. Its thick stems store water, making it extremely low maintenance. Perfect for bright spaces that need bold height. Natal Mahogany fills rooms with its upright feathery foliage. Pruning keeps it balanced while allowing tall growth. It adapts well to indoor lighting. Snake Plant grows tall even in low light. Its vertical leaves make rooms feel structured and modern. One of the easiest tall plants to maintain. Alocasia demands attention with its dramatic leaves. Its upright growth makes it perfect for statement corners. Warmth and humidity bring out its best growth. Tall plants don't just decorate, they change how a room feels. If this list helped you see indoor plants differently, hit like, subscribe, and grow your space smarter, not smaller.